Welcome to Amafans Wethu TV. Kiko Monterrey, Merico, kis featurile lethu. Njaya muyibona kanjani game yakusasa?
It's an easy game. The Koreans are not ready. It's the battle of the South.
Yes.
Obvious.
Yeah.
It's an easy game.
Yeah.
It all lies up to the coach.
To the coach in what sense?
The coach needs to do what he did in the last 15 minutes of the last game.
Which is?
Attack with Orlando Pirates, defend with Sundowns, and Lewandowski, move King, Police, Maseko on the side.
Yes.
So it's simple.
So I heard you mention Mahopa, Nomfuke.
Mahopa number 9, Mfuking, Gitten,
Noban put.
Police, Maseko.
Right. Umkwana ke 6.
Yeah, no, but Adams and Umbata, we sorted. At the back, it's obvious. Nothing needs to change. Mbogazi, Egoni, Gimutawe, Mutiba, and then Africa's number 1.
Yeah, CLP.
No. So the score 2-1.
2-1.
Yeah, because I can't say 2-0. Ronza and clean sheets are always apart. They're always apart. So they can score 1 goal just for them to carry something at home. But we are going through Bafana.
Just to confirm, utu coach akatrope Ulal Foster, Netena Fagurile, Yangchol, and then Sikre.
Ulal Foster bright team yakhe zange imdlalise noma se relegate. Zangadlali like I follow it and ngamthanda.
The player league.
Yeah, the player league. But zangadlali na team yakhe se relegate.
Akumele sikhuluma iva.
Bafethu. Very but
akekho for me.
It's gonna get better. See how we have gone next time. Uzodlala. Usamncane. Manje njengamanje. This game enzima. The biggest game that we're gonna be playing. But I think it's the biggest game of their careers. Umukwena they won the Champions League sat down. But I feel the Pirates win a treble. But I feel so the stage listen just think abantu abajwayele ukuwina. Ulal Foster relegate on the team yakhe. So
bangamdlalisi sebarelegate.
Cabanga. Uzomfaka with starting 11.
No. So final prediction uthingaki awungange score line.
2-1, yeah. Police ngiyambona we score kule discussion.
Sure.
Maybe Reina second half mangenile you will score. But I just wish Mfugeng must score a goal. I value that will take us through. Mfugeng, if you're watching this,
Korasan.
Thank you.